I wonder, sir, why the PNP gave out the list of gasoline stations na nagsara because wala na gas supply. I wonder lang why you did not report it, and also why you did not report the DOE findings na there were about 36 gas stations in the city found overpricing. So, ano yan? I just wondered lang, sir.
I wish I could answer the question, but wala may data with respect sa DOE nga findings sa mga closures sa gasoline stations and the reason for revealing it.
Then why did PNP have the report?
You're barking at the wrong tree, Sir Froy.
Oh, sige.
Definitely, DTI cannot respond for DOE. It's really DOE that monitors the oil prices. Kajut lang, Sir Froy, sa di pa magkunot imong kilay. No? And in the last meeting sa RDC, nag-report actually si DOE. Ang problema ni DOE is that, for example, there's only one Mindanao field office covering all the regions in Mindanao. So, ang naay ilang limitation. So, munang dinhi, ang atong DTI actually just partnered with DOE para ma-expand ang ilang monitoring, makamonitor sad sila. But as to mga penal provisions or mga actions, DTI cannot impose that. It's DOE that can do that.
Okay, I was referring to the report why the PNP have that
They
report.
cannot also respond on behalf of the
Sila ang
PNP.
nagbigay, ma'am.
Mula gina, but the DTI, being DTI, cannot respond on behalf of the PNP.
Okay.
But let me get your question, no? So, Secretariat, can we take note of that question and throw that to PNP and give it to you? Ako mismo ang mangutana sa RD, Sir Froy.
They have the RD then.
Yes, we will ask them to respond to your
A
question.
month
yes.
ago, the local monitoring board ng Cagayan de Oro found 36 gas stations overpricing. Why walang report? Thank you lang, ma'am. Okay.